Ever opened your Android phone and found a familiar app icon has vanished from your home screen without a trace? Don't panic. Today, we're going to walk through the easiest ways to bring those missing apps back to your Android home screen, so you can get back to using your favorite tools without any hassle. First, let's check your app drawer. This is where all your installed apps live. Even if they're not on your home screen, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer now. Scroll through the list and look for the missing app. Once you find it, simply tap and hold the app icon. You'll see it lift off the screen now. You can drag it to your desired spot on your home screen and release it. See, easy as that. Your app is now back where you can easily find it. If you can't find the app in your app drawer, it might be hidden or accidentally removed from the home screen in a way that's not immediately obvious. Let's try clearing the launcher's cache. Go to your phone settings. Tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Then find your launcher app. This is usually called something like Launcher or the name of your phone's manufacturer, like One UI Home or Pixel Launcher. Once you've found your launcher, tap on it, then select Storage. Make sure you don't tap Clear Data by mistake, as that could reset your home screen layout. Instead, tap the Clear Cache option. Clearing the cache will refresh the launcher without deleting any of your apps or settings. After clearing the cache, go back to your home screen. Sometimes, this is enough to make the missing app icons reappear. If your apps are still missing, there's a possibility they were accidentally disabled. Go back to Settings, then Apps, and find the missing app. If you see an option to enable, tap it. This will make the app and its icon available again. Once enabled, you can go back to your home screen or app drawer and drag the icon back to where you want it. These simple steps should help you recover any missing app icons from your Android home screen. Remember, you don't need to reinstall them. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.